Tamil Nadu Assembly elections 2021. So voting will be on 6th of April 2021. So how will be the performance of political parties on 6th April when people will go out and vote? So this reading is for that, and immediately then thereafter how will be the day 2nd May 2021 for top politicians of Tamil Nadu like Idapadi K. Palaniswamy, M.K. Stalin, then Vijaykanth, Kamal Hassan, TTV Dinakaran and all. So first I'll start with political parties. Please pardon me for background noises, can't help it. Now, first I'll start with TTV Dinakaran, Amma Makkal Munitra Kazgam. Now looking at this card, Ace of Wands, it will be a kind of good start for him. Similarly, Kamal Hassan's party Makkal Nidhi Mayyam, Judgment card. So these two parties are going to eat up lots of votes of these two main political parties. One thing is sure, and also others. These two will also eat up votes of other political parties. So because of that, look here, what's the effect? Here AIADMK and DMK both will not do well as per the expectation. I know the opinion polls are telling that DMK is going to sweep, but cards are telling exactly opposite. Then performance of Congress, Justice card and BJP. Page of Wands for BJP and Justice for Congress. So Congress I think has been given some 25 odd seats and BJP has been given 20 odd seats. So they will do, both the parties will do justice and expected to get a good number of seats as per their potential. Then Vijaykanth can do better. Looking at this card, if he can put some more efforts, I am sure his party will do well. So all in all, looks like these two political parties will eat into the votes of these two main political parties. So still picture is not very much clear here. Now let's check for the top leaders of these political parties. How will be their day 2nd May 2021. Now these are the cards for Idapadi K. Palaniswamy, M.K. Stalin, then K.S. Alagiri of Indian National Congress, and then BJP's L. Murugan. Now here I can see a trend. Now what is that? First I'll start with Palaniswamy. Morning looks okay, average. Similarly here for M.K. Stalin. Here between 8 to 10, these are the cards for morning: 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Now morning time looks somewhat difficult for DMK. These are the cards for M.K. Stalin and these are the cards for K.S. Alagiri. So they are alliance partners. So here 8 to 10 looks difficult and good for somewhat good for Palaniswamy and Murugan of BJP. But then things changing between 10 to 12. Still okay for Palaniswamy, full card for M.K. Stalin, but here King of Pentacles for K.S. Alagiri. So during this period Congress will do well, and here for BJP L. Murugan, again not that good. So all in all, between morning 10 to 12, these DMK and Congress alliance will be either at par with AIADMK and alliance partners, or will be slightly ahead. But then again, 12 to 2 p.m. here AIADMK might take the lead, and here look at these cards. Again, this looks like a seesaw type of battle. Then again, difficult period for between 12 to 2, difficult for DMK, Congress, difficult for Stalin and K.S. Alagiri, but good for Murugan and Palaniswamy. Then 2 to 4 p.m. will be important. Now why important? Because here cards for M.K. Stalin and for K.S. Alagiri. Now this is card for new association, new tie-ups. Here his cards, K.S. Alagiri's cards also looks good. Palaniswamy's cards, Page of Wands. He will start the communication with other parties. Murugan, again confused what's going to happen, looking at the scenario. Between 4 to 6 p.m. then what will happen? Looking at this card, looks like this person is badly hurt, is not happy. And here he is, this person M.K. Stalin, he is feeling like a small kid. He is so happy. Again, K.S. Alagiri cards, lots of challenges, but standing at an advantageous position. Murugan, nothing to lose, free. So all in all, looks like that these two parties, AIADMK and alliance and DMK and alliance, will go neck to neck till afternoon. But thereafter, between 4 and 6 p.m, things are going to change, when they might get, especially DMK and Congress might get might do some kind of tie-up. At least they can talk to the particular person. Say they might tie up with TTV Dinakaran or Kamal Hassan's party or any other party which are having a decent number of seats, and they might fix the top spot for themselves. So all in all, looking at these cards, I will give advantage to DMK, but slight advantage. And we are yet to see the cards for Vijaykanth, Kamal Hassan and TTV Dinakaran. So now let's check for these three people. Now these are the cards for Vijaykanth, Kamal Hassan, TTV Dinakaran and Vaiko. So looking at these cards, first Vijaykanth, a good start in the morning time, till afternoon very good, till 2 p.m, morning 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 2, but 2 to 4 and 4 to 6 looks difficult. So he may start well but end the day with disappointment. He will not get the kind of result he is expecting. A total disappointment I can see. Then Kamal Hassan, a good start, but between 10 to 12 his party will fall behind, but again 12 to 2 looks good. and then death card for 4 to 6, and then 6 to 4 to 6. This one, this is 6 of cups, and this is 2 to 4. So looks like he will secure a decent number of seats to support any political party. But yes, one thing is certain, that he will be a vote katua. Vote katua means vote katua in Hindi. So it means that someone who will eat into the vote banks of other political parties. It is known as vote katua. So he will be a kind of vote katua like TTV Dinakaran. Now look at his cards. Morning he'll start well, but slowly as the time will pass, he will not have much impact, and certainly evening looks very bad for him. 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. So looks like his party will not be in a position to give support, lend support to someone. Only thing he is going to do is to eat into votes. That's it. Because evening time will be a very heartbreaking time for him. Then Vaiko. Vaiko will do okay. Not very good, but not very bad. Again 4 to 6 p.m. This is the card. So looks like even he might not be able to get the expected number of seats so as to do the bargaining with top political parties. But yes, at least you can expect him to be on DMK's side. That's for sure. Most probably Vaiko and Kamal Hassan's party, they will certainly lend their support to DMK and Congress combined. That's what I can make out from this reading. So all in all, I can see advantage DMK and allies, old allies as well as new allies, new associations. So it's not going to be a clean sweep for DMK. It's going to be tough for DMK, and DMK will somehow, looks like they will somehow manage to form the government. That's what I can make out from this total reading. So hope you like the reading. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.